So we are in our first day of the core basic. We are finishing up our day with a provider exercise where our teams went out. They went and collected wild herb. They also had the chance to process animal and also to set up a fire team. So throughout all of this, they're working together to have a provider experience where they're going out, cooking for their team and making sure that the portions are just enough for the team so they don't have waste.
We are making a mesquite flour flatbread here. We have mesquite flour, pecans, honey, a tad of salt, and some water. We'll roll it into little balls and make flatbread out of it for dinner.